Hey, in this video, I will explain about different audience types in Facebook ads. Friends, while running Facebook ads, audience selection is very important. Your overall Facebook ad campaign will mostly depend on the audience selection. Mostly your campaign performance, the results of the campaign mostly depends on the audience selection. So guys, audience selection is very important. So first of all, we have to know, so what are the audience types available in the Facebook ads. So guys, so there are 4 types of audience in Facebook ads. Those are custom audience, lookalike audience, special audience, special ad audience, and saved audience. These are the 4 Facebook audience offering by Facebook ads itself. We will discuss one by one in this video. Custom audience, guys, the audience who are already engaged with your content or engaged with your business, those are the custom audience, like website visitors, the candidates who opened the form but not submitted, the candidates who opened the form and submitted the form, and the candidates who watched our video 90%, 40%, 50%, like that, and the candidates who interacted with our Instagram profile, candidates who are interacted with our Facebook page post, and who are liked our Facebook page, and the email addresses who are engaged with our content. So those are the audiences which comes under the custom audience. The custom audiences are the audience who are engaged with our content or business. Those are the custom audience. The main help of the custom audience are the we can retarget the users. Okay, we can retarget the users using custom audiences. And when we are running the Facebook ads, first we have to move with the custom audience. Why? Because those are already engaged with our business or content. So that's why when we target custom audience, the results will be better. But at the beginning of the journey, at the beginning of the ads, you may don't have the custom audience, or you may have the very less custom audience. If we have the very less custom audience, in that case we will create the lookalike audience. What are the lookalike audience? The audience who are have similar characteristics, similar interest, behavior, demographics of custom audience. The audience who have the similar interest, demographics, behavior of custom audience, those are the lookalike audience. Next, special ad audience. We will create the special ad audience while running the special ad category ads. Next, saved audience. Saved audience are the audience who are created based on the different interest, demographics, and behavior. Saved audience is the by default when we don't have any audience. So in that case, we will create the saved audience for reuse in future. We will choose their age, their gender, their locations, their behaviors, their demographics. Like that, we will select different interest and we will create one set of audience. So those are the saved audience. The custom audience are the audience who are already engaged. So here we have to first focus on which audience while creating the Facebook ads. First of all, we have to look whether we have the custom audience or not. If we have the sufficient custom audience, then we have to run the Facebook ads with the custom audience only, then the results will be better. In case if we have the very less custom audience, or if we don't have the custom audience, then we will go to the either lookalike or saved audience. If we have the less custom audience, then we will go to the lookalike audience. If we have the very less custom audience, or if we don't have any custom audience, then we will go for the saved audience. Guys, these are the 4 different types of audience types in the Facebook ads. Hey guys, I hope this particular video will help you. If you love this video, like it and share it with friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.